Do you have half liter of milk? If yes, you have to make this dessert. Welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a amazing, delicious, mouth-watering dessert made from half liter milk. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process and let's see how to make this amazing dessert. So guys, to make this delicious dessert, let's take a 6-inch container, and to this container let's add about 8 biscuits. You can use any biscuits that you have in your house. I'm using digestive biscuits. And once we have the biscuits in the container, then let's keep it aside for now, and let's take 2 cups or half liter of full fat milk, which is raw. So I have not boiled this milk, it's raw. And to this, let's add half cup of sugar. And here guys, I'm using granulated sugar. You can always use some powdered sugar. And now let's add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida. And now let's mix until there are no lumps, or else it won't have that creamy texture. So keep whisking it till the time you get no lumps in it. And then we are going to add about 1/4 cup of milk powder. And then again guys, we are going to mix everything together till the time there are no lumps in here. And once everything is nicely mixed in, then let's keep our pot on top of the gas and let's turn the flame on medium. And now guys, we are going to continuously keep stirring the milk so that the milk does not sit at the bottom and get burnt, or the cream from the milk does not start floating and separate from the milk. And we are going to cook this on a medium flame for the next 6 to 7 minutes, or until the time the milk starts to thicken. And once that happens, then let's add 20 grams of butter, which is 1.5 tablespoons of butter, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then guys, let's mix everything in together. Let the vanilla essence get nicely mixed in with the milk. Let the butter get melted. And then let's continuously keep stirring it and cook it on a low to medium flame for the next 3 to 4 minutes, or until the time your milk starts to look something like this. Nice and thick, but still a little bit of pouring consistency. And once that happens, then let's turn off the flame and let's start pouring half of this milk liquid on top of our biscuits. And once we have the milk on top of our biscuits, then with the help of a spatula, let's even it out. And once everything is nice and even, then let's put more biscuits on top of this cream. So I'm going to put 8 more biscuits. And then let's pour the remainder of the thickened milk on top of these biscuits. And then again we are going to even it out. And once everything is nice and even, then let's sprinkle some desiccated coconut. So here I'm going to sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, along with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And guys, if you don't have cocoa powder, it's okay. You can skip it. You can always add some choco chips if you wish. And now let's keep this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make our whipped cream. So here guys, I've taken 1 small packet of Amul whipping cream, about 250 ml. And I've kept the container in which I have the cream on top of a container in which I have a lot of ice, because it's really hot where I live. So if you are also in a hot weather, please do the same. And after whipping the cream for about 7 to 8 minutes, I got some soft peaks. If you don't get soft peaks, then continue whipping the cream. And then let's add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, followed by 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. And now let's whip it again so that everything gets mixed in together. And once everything is nicely mixed in, then let's bring out our container from the fridge and land the whipped cream on top of the cocoa powder layer, and then we are just going to even it out. And once it is nice and even, then let's sprinkle 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut on top, and then we are going to sprinkle some tutti frutti on top. Guys, if you don't have tutti frutti, you can always add some choco chips or almonds or pistachios, whatever your heart desires. You can add. You can always add some fruit as well on top. So whatever your heart desires, you can add on top to make it look attractive. And now guys, it's time for us to put this in the fridge for the next 3 hours minimum. It's better if you keep it overnight. So remember guys, to put it in the fridge and not the freezer. And after keeping it overnight, look at our dessert guys. It's time for us to cut in and time for us to dig in. My mouth is watering and I absolutely cannot resist it. Especially when it's so hot here, I want to dig in this cold dessert. So guys, do make this dessert. I'm telling you, it's absolutely delicious. Do share the recipe link with your friends and family so they also can enjoy this dessert. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.